Self-practice 4.7 question 1. Rationalize the denominator and simplify each of the following. Okay, when they say rationalize, that means your denominator cannot have surd. Numerator can have surd, but denominator cannot have surd. So you need to get rid of the surd. Right. So there are two types of rationalizing. One is if it's just one single term. One more is when they have two terms. So let's look at the single term first. This one, this one, this one, this. Okay, the first 5, all these are considered single term rationalizing. So to get rid of the denominator here with 2 surd 5, 2 over surd 5, you just have to multiply top and bottom by the surd 5. So times surd 5 times surd 5. So on top we'll get 2 surd 5. Bottom, surd 5 times surd 5 is just 5. That's it. Okay, 2 and 5 cannot simplify, so this is the final answer. B. 7 over surd 2. So top and bottom we multiply with surd 2. 7 surd 2. Bottom will be surd 2 times surd 2 is just 2. Done. C. Surd 2 over surd 5. Same thing, top and bottom we multiply with surd 5. So surd 2 times surd 5 is surd 10 over 5. Okay, surd 5 times 5 is 5 lah. Done. D. Surd 3 over 2 surd 12. So here we just multiply the surd 12 enough. No need to times surd 2. Okay, you just multiply surd 12. Surd 12. So on top will be surd 3 times 12 is 36 over bottom here 2, and then surd 12 times surd 12 is just 12. Okay. Right. So surd 36 is 6. And then 2 and 12 is 24. So 6 over 24 is 1 over 4. Done. Let me move this here. Okay, let's look at E. E we have this, still single surd only, single term. So 1 plus surd 3 over surd 12. So same thing, top and bottom we multiply with surd 12. So on top you have to expand surd 12 plus surd 3 times surd 12 over 12. Okay, so surd 3 times surd 12 is surd 36. Okay, so then this surd 12 also we can split it first. So surd 12 is surd 4 times surd 3. Surd 36 is just 6 over 12. And then surd 4 is 2. So we can say 2 surd 3 plus 6 over 12. Then we can simplify it. So 2, 6 and 12 all can be divided by 2. So we divide everything by 2. We get surd 3 plus 3 over 6. Done. F. Okay. From F all the way until I, this one is all 2 terms. When you have 2 terms like this one a bit different. We call this the complex conjugate method. Complex conjugate. Complex conjugate means if one term is 3 plus Z2, the complex conjugate will be 3 minus Z2. If let's say one term is 4 minus Z5, the complex conjugate will be 4 plus Z5. Basically, you just change the symbol in the middle lah. That's it. Right. So let's try to do F. I'll just use, the complex conjugate method I use different color lah. Then you all can identify. Okay, because these surd questions only got two types. One is the top one, which is just one term. And then the second one is the bottom, the complex conjugate method. Right. So 3 plus Z2 over 5 minus Z5. So here what we have to do is, we have to multiply the complex conjugate of the denominator. So 5 minus Z5 means 5 plus Z5. 5 plus Z5. Okay, don't get confused and multiply this conjugate. No need. If you figure out this conjugate, top and bottom you must multiply the same thing. Okay, remember fractions you can only do by multiplying the same thing on top and bottom. You cannot do different things. Okay, because that's also a common confusion. Right, now is the messy part. We have to expand one by one. Okay, let's go. On top here, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times Z5 is 3 Z5. Then Z2 times 5 is 5 Z2. And then Z2 times Z5 is Z2 times 5, which is Z10. Okay. Then the denominator, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times Z5 is 5 Z5. Negative 5 times Z5 is negative 5 Z5. Negative Z5 times Z5 is negative 5. Okay, because Z5 times Z5 will get 5. Then here we have negative, so we put negative lah. Okay, one thing you have to be aware of is, this is like a shortcut lah. Usually when you do complex conjugate, right, you will get 5 Z5, one more will be minus 5 Z5. So one will be positive, one more will be negative. So these two will cancel off each other. So the denominator now got no Z. So next time, instead of expanding everything, you know the center one will go missing, right? So you can just expand 5 and 5 and then Z5 and Z5. So no need to do this one lah, because this one cancel off already. Okay, we'll keep that in mind for the next one. So let's try to simplify the top. So 15 cannot simplify lah. Okay, let's just, you can't simplify much. Okay, let's just duplicate this. So this whole thing got no similarities. And then the bottom one, this will go missing. So 25 minus 5 is 20. That's it. We can stop here lah. Because 15 and 20 can simplify, but this one got nothing to simplify. So we just leave it like this. Done. Right. Let's erase all this. And let's try G. So same thing, 6 minus Z3 over 9 minus Z12. So we multiply with the complex conjugate of the denominator. So 9 minus Z12, 9 plus Z12. Then we expand. So 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times Z12 is 6 Z12. negative 9 set 3 set 3 times set 12 is set 36. Okay, 3 times 12 lah, 36. Right. Alamak. Okay. Then the bottom one, 9 and 9 is 81. Remember, we don't have to do the middle part, so we just do this times this, and then this times this. So set 12 will be 12, so it'll be minus 12. Okay, set 12 is just 12, but don't forget the negative. Right, let's simplify the top. So set 36 is 6. So actually, you know what? Let's just put in the calculator. 54 plus 6 set 12 minus 9 set 3 minus set 36. Yep, see, the calculator does a better job. 3 set 3 plus 48. Over 81 minus 12, 69. Okay, so all these can be divided by 3. So what we can do is, we can divide all the numbers by 3. We will be left with set 3. 48 divided by 3 is 16. 69 divided by 3 is 23. This will be our final answer. Okay, let's try H. I think we need more space for H. Right, so here we have to multiply two complex conjugates. So 3 plus 2 over 5 minus 2. Oh, this one quite complex. Okay, let's just do this with our calculator. 3 plus 2 over 5 minus, over 5 minus 2. This whole thing plus 4 minus 3 divided by 7 plus 3. Wow. Okay, I think we can try lah. Let's try. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2. So we multiply this by the conjugate. So 5 plus 2's conjugate will be 5. Sorry, 5 minus 2 conjugate will be 5 plus 2. And then this whole thing plus this one. So 4 minus 3 over 7 plus 3. Whole thing must times this fellow's conjugate. So 7 minus 3. Right, it's a lot of expanding. Let's go. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 3 set 2. And then 5 set 2. Set 2 times set 2 is just 2. Over the bottom one, we use our shortcut, so it's just 5 times 5. And then set 2 times set 2 is just 2, so minus 2. Right, this side, 4 times 7 is 28. And then 4 times negative 3 is negative 4 set 3. Negative 7 set 3. Negative will be positive 3. Right, bottom we use our shortcut. Set 7 times 7 is 49. Set 3 times set 3 is 3. But we have to put negative. Right. Okay. So 15 plus 2 is 17. 3 set 2 plus 5 set 2. So 3 oranges plus 5 oranges, 8 oranges over 23. Plus 28 plus 3 is 31. Negative 4 oranges minus 7 oranges is negative 11 oranges over 46. So now if you want to add these fractions, you need to make the denominator same. So conveniently 23 just times 2, we get 46 lah. Right. So this whole thing we times 2 times 2. Right. So 17 times 2 is 34. 8 set 2 times 2 is 16 set 2 over 46. 31 minus 11 set 3. Okay. Alamak, so just now we never delete. Alright. So now 34 plus 31 is 65. Then this one set 2 and set 3 different lah. Apples and oranges. Cannot plus. So we just write it as it is. Over 46. Let's check with our calculator's answer. Did we get the same thing? Oh, same thing. That means we've done it correctly. Alright, that was quite long. Right, last one. Hopefully, I mean, it's nice with YouTube because you guys can watch it at 2 times speed if you want to. Alright. The next one, same thing. 7 minus set 5 over 5 plus set 5. Then this one we have to multiply with the conjugate. So 5 plus set 5 will be 5 minus set 5. Then this whole thing minus 6 plus set 3 over 6 minus set 3. So the conjugate of this will be 6 plus set 3. So top and bottom, same thing. Right. So let's expand. 7 times 5 is 35. Then 7 times negative set 5 is negative 7 set 5. Then negative set 5 times 5 is negative 5 set 5. Negative set 5 times negative set 5 will be positive 5. Okay. Divide. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus set 5 times set 5 is 5. Okay. This side. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 set 3. Also 6 set 3. Set 3 is 3. Over 6 times 6 is 36. Set 3 times set 3 is 3. So negative 3. Right. Let's sambung. Okay. 35 plus 5 is 40. This one set 5, so negative 7 oranges minus 5 oranges is negative 12 oranges over 25 minus 5 is 20. Okay, this side. 36 plus 3 is 39. 6 oranges plus 6 oranges is 12 oranges. 36 minus 3 is 33. Okay. So here, let's see, we can reduce it. So 40, 12 and 20, we can all divide them by 4. So we get 10 minus 3 set 5 over 5. 39, 12 and 33 can all be divided by 3. So divide by 3 means we get 13 plus 4 set 3 over 11. This one just type calculator, no choice, because different denominators now. You can go ahead and cross multiply. So this whole thing times 11, this whole thing times 5. But I don't think you need to do that because you won't get any marks from that. So just do calculator lah. 3 set 5 over 5 minus 13 plus 4 set 3 over 11. Wish. They split it up. Did they ask for a okay, they asked to simplify each of the following. Let me see. Okay. So let's just make it into a single fraction. Since our calculator don't help us, we do manually. Okay, all these we times 11. All these we times 5. So 10 times 11 will be 110. 33 set 5. Okay, minus 13 times 5 should be 65, right? Yep, 65. 4 set 3 times 5 is 20 set 3. Whole thing will be over 55. Now 110 minus 65 is 45. So we can say 45 minus 33 set 5 minus 20 set 3. Whole thing over 55. Done. This will be if we express it in one single fraction. That's all.